Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to solve a future value question using Wolfram Alpha. Here is our question. ABC Mobile invests $500 for 3 years at 4.8% compounded annually. What is the accumulated value of their investment at the end of 3 years? Wolfram Alpha will do the calculation for you, but you still need to be able to understand the question and draw from the question all the important information. So let's start with the end in mind. What are we looking for? In this case, we're looking for a future value. Now let's take some inventory. What's our present value? It's $500. Our J is our compounded annual interest rate of 4.8%. We know the time is 3 years. Then we can put down the information on our page. Time is equal to 3 years. I, well, we know the formula for I is J over M. And J is 0.048. And M is 1 because it's compounded annually. So I ends up being 0.048. N is equal to M times T. Our M is 1 and our T is 3, so therefore N is 3. And this is our future value formula, which we're now going to use with Wolfram Alpha. As you can see, we've got our inventory written here on the left-hand side of the page and the formula on the right. So now we're going to fill in that formula with the data that we've already acquired. So solve x equals 500. Open bracket 1 plus and we get our result down here, and we're just going to use the approximate form, and our answer is 575.511, and of course you need to do the step of rounding it to 2 decimal places. And that's how Wolfram Alpha works. We can solve any compound interest question using this one formula. So for example, instead of looking for future value, let's say we were looking for present value. You would use the same formula, but just put an x for a different variable. So 575.51 equals x times 1 plus 0.048. Exponent 3. And when we compute our answer, again, we get 499.999. And when you, of course, round it to a whole number or even to 2 decimal places, you're going to end up with the 500 that we know is the present value. Let's look for n. Let's solve the same question, but this time we're looking for n. So we've used the same formula. The only difference now is we've put x in for n. And when we solve for that, again, we're going to use the approximate number. And when we click on the real solution, approximate form, we get our 2.99995, which again rounds to 3. So basically, here's what we've learned. We can use one formula to solve multiple questions, depending on which variable we're looking for. But we still need to do the groundwork. We still need to understand the question and all the data that's in the question. And all we simply do is place the variable in the formula for the element that we're looking for. And that's it.